Hi folks, written on the 7th of June, raining in my heart. It's the summertime, but the weather's not fine, and it's raining in my heart. Oh, I'm lost today in a violent sea, because the whole wide world is in a crazy spin, and it's raining in my heart. Avarice and greed is an everyday need for those who think they're so terribly smart, and it's raining in my heart. Oh, I hope for peace among the family of men, but the chance is slim. If only we all could start again, because no one can win, and that's why it's raining in my heart. I think now over the years and the trillions of tears, and the lives just lost such a dreadful cost, for reasons long gone, not even a song, and it's raining in my heart, and it's raining in my heart. I have personal dreams that I would love to see, but it's still raining in my heart. I can put my best foot forward and a smile on my face, but what folk can't see is that it's raining in my heart, that it's raining in my heart. I ask only for peace across the whole wide world, an end to misery and nightmares untold. But until that day when all dreams come true, it will be raining in my heart. If only all could see that war is misery, there is no glory or true victory, and that solutions exist for peace to dwell, and for me at last to show and tell. It would stop the raining in my heart, it would stop the raining in my heart. Perhaps one day when I've gone away, the world at large will shine with peace, and wherever I may be, the sun will shine for me and stop the raining in my heart, and stop the raining in